Before you invest in any sneaker proxies, you need to understand the basics. There are three main types of proxies: residential, data center, and mobile. Each serves a different purpose in the sneaker world. Data center proxies are fast, but may be easier to block. Residential proxies offer higher legitimacy, but can be slower. Mobile proxies provide the most natural behavior, but at a higher cost. IP Royal offers all these types, allowing you to choose the one that fits your strategy. What sets IP Royal apart is their reliable uptime, large pool of IPs, and pricing that's beginner-friendly. They've built their system with sneaker botters in mind. During your decision-making process, consider how many tasks you're running, what websites you're targeting, and whether you need rotation. IP Royal provides flexibility and performance for all those needs. Join IP Royal for free using the link in the description. It's one of the smartest ways to get into sneaker botting without wasting money on proxies that don't deliver. Use their proxies with top bots like Kodai, Wrath, or NSB. And you'll see better consistency in checkouts. Choosing the right proxy is half the battle. And IP Royal gives you the upper hand.